ispace completes Success 5 of Mission 2 Milestones Tokyo. Business Wire. ispace, Inc. Space. Tokyo, 9348. A global lunar exploration company, announced today that the Resilience lunar lander successfully completed a flyby of the Moon on February 15, 2025, reaching its closest point at 22:43 Coordinated Universal Time, February 14, 2025. The Resilience lander came within approximately 8,400 kilometers of the Moon's surface on its flyby, a historic first of its type for a Japanese private, commercial lunar lander, RESILIE.
Which is the better stock to buy and hold forever, Amazon or Costco? You couldn't have gone wrong buying shares of Amazon, AMZN minus 0.73%, or Costco Wholesale, cost minus 0.47%. In the two companies' early days, a $10,000 investment in Costco when the giant wholesaler went public in 1985 would be worth almost $11.9 million today.
Amazon union push falls short at North Carolina warehouse. The outcome was a setback for workers trying to score a second election success at an Amazon facility. The union vowed to keep trying to organize.
North Carolina Amazon workers vote against unionizing workers. At an Amazon warehouse in Garner, North Carolina voted against unionizing in election results announced today.
Meta Platforms stock is soaring. Is it too late to buy? Shares of Meta Platforms, Meta 1.11%, have delivered explosive returns to investors since bottoming out in 2022, and the stock continues to hit new highs. The stock surged recently after the company reported strong revenue and earnings performance in the fourth quarter.
Meta just raised its dividend. Here's how much investors will receive in March. Meta Platforms, NASDAQ, Meta. Investors continue to reap rewards as the stock extended its multi-day rally, setting a new all-time high.
Court filings show Meta paused efforts to license books for AI training. New court filings in an AI copyright case against Meta add credence to earlier reports that the company paused discussions with book publishers on licensing deals to supply some of its generative AI models with training data.
Apple aims to bring AI features and spatial content app to Vision Pro. Bloomberg reports Apple is planning to add Apple Intelligence to its Vision Pro headset, along with an updated mode for guest users and a spatial content app as early as April, Bloomberg News reported on Saturday.
Buffett holds Apple shares in sign of support. Warren Buffett filed his holdings with the SEC Form 13F, which covered the most recent calendar quarter, the final quarter of 2024.
TikTok returns to Apple and Google app stores in the U.S. TikTok has returned to the app stores of Apple and Google in the U.S. after President Donald Trump delayed the enforcement of a TikTok ban.
Think it's too late to buy Berkshire Hathaway? Here's the biggest reason. There's still time. I've said many times before that if I could only own one stock, it would be Berkshire Hathaway. BRK-A minus 0.33%. BRK-B minus 0.19%. In short, investing in Berkshire is like buying a diversified investment portfolio selected by some of the best minds in the industry.
Warren Buffett's 2025 letter to Berkshire shareholders is coming soon. Watch this number. Even Buffett is struggling to outperform this bull market. Berkshire's massive cash stake is key.
Warren Buffett's best single measure of stock valuations just made history, but not in a good way. For more than 2 years, Wall Street has been a stomping ground for the bulls. Since the curtain opened for 2023, the mature stock-powered Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI minus 0.37%, benchmark S&P 500, GSPC minus 0.01%, and growth-inspired NASDAQ Composite, IXIC 0.41%, have respectively rocketed higher by 34%, 58%, and 88%.